So here's a 2 week update. And of course, I still haven't figured out how to do my own audio. So I'm talking over myself. Anyway, my locks are installed. I have stopped losing them and I still haven't finished up a lot of the ends because I've just been enjoying wearing them like they are. So sooner or later, I will finish them up. I do still like the color. I'm still happy with them. I just wanted to go over a couple things that I think I left out. Well, I know I left out in the first video. Number one, the use of the mannequin. So the first time I made the lock extensions, I did buy some from Etsy, a couple people, but then I made some myself. It was hard making them in my hand. So I had the idea to just buy a mannequin, put her on the mannequin stand and make them on her head, which worked out better for me. Another thing with the extensions that I bought, I noticed that the spot that I put the ponytail or the rubber band holder around always made the lock a little weak in that spot. And so I ended up basically breaking locks off. So another reason I thought that the mannequin would be good was because I used that hair as the base and made the lock around it. I can't tell you if it works yet, but maybe at the next update I can. When it comes to the coloring, I'm really happy and I am still like mending those other color pieces in. So it's almost like wherever I want some more color, I can just pick up those pieces and put them in wherever I want. So far, the only thing that I use on my locks is rose water, and then I change out the oils, either apricot oil or olive oil, sometimes grapeseed, but mostly I just use the rose water at night, and I try to cover them up to go to sleep. I cannot always do that, and my head gets hot, so I end up with that thing off. But my hair is not dry under there. I do use a mixture that I can't remember who I got it from on YouTube, but it was the Vital, the Sulfur 8, and the Do Grow. And even though it's been 2 weeks, I have new growth already because when I did the interlocking before, when I first put them in, my hair was pretty tight and it's loose already. So it's already growing. My hopes with these extensions is that as my hair grows, I'll just cut the extensions off, which won't be a problem because I know where my hair starts and the extension, where my hair ends and the extensions start. But in the end, I really don't care about cutting it off because I've done it like 3 times over the last 2 years doing the locks. So just a quick update for you. If you have any other questions, don't forget, hit me down in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I need you guys to get my numbers up. And have a good one. Thanks for watching Fran at Officially Fran's.